Well, now the Gardaí lead car from the traffic corps has just come through and it's Rosemary Smith gives everybody a big wave as she tries to keep ahead of Robin Reddings and the Leprechaun. The Ferrari Dino goes through ahead of Kieran White in the TRS. Then the Anglia of Ed Cassidy, that's a beautiful Ford Anglia in the 105E. Then Alex Watkins in the Porsche 356. Ken O'Shea in the E-Type Jag. This is the Fraser Nash, give it a big cheer. That is number 69, and that of course the car of Finlay Colley, owned by himself and his brother Tony Colley, who built it up. Unfortunately, Tony died earlier on this year, and Irish motorsport is much saddened by his loss, and indeed a less exciting fate following the death of Tony Colley. The Porsche 914 then goes through. Number 36, that's a beautiful MGTC of Reg Plunkett, just goes through. So you can give him a cheer along as he goes by there. The next up is number 20, that's Leslie Gervin in the Daimler Dart. Beautiful turned-out car ahead of Paul Conran in the MGA. 76 going through, that is John Davey. Beautiful Rover P6. Next up is Barry Smith in the Mark 1 Escort. Beautiful car ahead of Damien Bolger. These are the kit cars. At 64 is next up, that is AC Cobra Dax. Beautiful car then. These of course are all kit cars and are built up by members of the Irish Kit Car Club. Number 57, Martin Conley going through. That's a Lotus 7. A replica Lotus 7, of course. Number 68 going through is Jen Adam. That's a Morgan Moss Malvern, that. The Ferrari is Declan Collins, and Declan, we'd hope that you'd open her up just as you pass us here. We'd love to hear the sound of that. Car number 56 is Tommy Quinn. That's the M6 MG in the Mark II Cortina. And then the two Mustangs. Woo! Special cheer for the Mustangs as they go. 19 there is John Dalton, the Lotus Elan. John from Donaghadee. Then is Pat Armstrong in the Sierra. And if it is, then his brother Larry must be behind in the BMW 2002 Turbo. The Golf GTI just gone through. And that's Golf being driven by Morgan O'Shea.